here. No, you don't want to say hi? Okay, fine. Love you. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I created this look for 3 very special people. When I had posted my first video, 2 of them had come up to me and told me they didn't like my video. It's because I had mentioned my puppy and my boyfriend and not them. So they're actually my boyfriend's baby brothers, Liam and Gage. They are 8 years old. And the third person is his little sister, who is Zoe. She didn't complain, but if I'm gonna make a video about the 2 of them, I would never leave her out. This video is for the 3 of them. Liam and Gage's favorite color is green, and Zoe's favorite color is purple, hence the green and purple look. Zoe is 5 years old, and she is a diva, and she loves makeup. I'm hoping she likes this a lot, and I know Gage and Liam will be happy that I've mentioned them. These guys are my babies as well. I said that, you know, Peter was and Bear was, and I didn't mention them, and I'm very sorry guys. I do love you a lot. So there's Liam, who we call Nah-Man. There's Gage, who we call Gagers or Big Hoss, and then there's Zoe, and we call her Mrs. So I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see how I did this look, please continue watching. I'll be priming my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I'll be applying the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And I'll be putting that in the corner of my eyes as well as over some of my pimples. Taking a Morphe G38, I'm just going to white it with some MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus and blend out all of the concealer. Blended out the concealer, and I'm going to move on to my eyes now. I'll be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original. And to set the primer, I'll be using the MAC Prep and Prime Setting Powder. I'll be using the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. I'm going to be going into this lighter purple shade at first and putting that in the crease. With the Morphe M518, I'm going to be going into this darker purple shade. I'm just going to darken that line up a little bit with an angled brush. Taking the Maybelline concealer and a detailing brush, I'm just going to carve out my lid. So what I did was I cut out the shape that I wanted. Now that I've done that, I'm just going to color the rest of it in. Actually, I'm not going to go too deep because I want to set that, because I want to do a double cut crease. I'm going to set that little bit of concealer with the white in the Pastel Goth eyeshadow palette, and it's called Skull. Now that I've set the concealer, I'm going to grab some more concealer and cut out the rest of my lid. I'm going to go into this green right in the corner. Using that same Veramona packing brush, I am going to go into the lighter green over here. I've finished one eye. I'm going to complete the other off of camera, and I'll be right back. I'm back and my eyes are done. Next step is... So today I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte 24-Hour Foundation in 103, which is Natural Buff. Ow, my back! There's always two. No? Okay, that's fine. One's enough for me. For concealer today, I'll be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer that I've used to cut out my lids. For setting powder today, I'll be using the L'Oreal Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Okay, I look absolutely ridiculous right now. The first thing that came to my head was clean it up, Cocor.
Give me a pat. No, a powder for my nose. Quick. Oh. Thanks. Okay.
Ew. Why are you talking to her? Clean it up, Cocor.
For the brows today, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in medium brown. One brow on. I'm going to finish the other off of camera and I'll be right back. I'm back and my brows are done, and the next step would be for me to wipe away the excess powder with the Morphe R10 brush. I'm going to be bronzing, and today I'm using the Nars bronzer in Laguna with the Morphe R14 brush. I'll be using the Real Her blush kit. Which one do I want? I'll be taking that middle shade right there called Limitless. For highlighter today, I'll be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Eclipse. And this is a collab that he did with Manny anyway. Check that out. Oh, that's pretty. I'm going to finish my eyes, so I'll be using the Vermona packing brush and again the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to go into this green shade and pack that on my bottom lash line, but only halfway through. I got the green packed on halfway through, and next I'm jumping into the purple shade. I've completed the eyeshadow, and now it's time for mascara. On my top lashes today, I'll be using the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. For my bottom lash line today, I'll be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Luscious Full Fan Effect Waterproof Mascara. Today I will be applying lashes, and I'll be using the Iikonn eyelashes in Riri. I am an affiliate with them, so if you do want to save money on a pair of lashes, I will link the website down below, and the discount code is JCastroMUA, but I will also write that down below in my description box. I will be applying these off of camera, but I'll be right back once they're on. I'm back and my eyelashes are on, and the next step is to highlight the inner corner of my eye, and today I'll be using the same highlighter I used on my face. Next, I'm going to apply lipstick, and today I'll be using the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Amethyst. Next, I am going to set my makeup using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Alright, this is the final look. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Say bye. No? Mwah. Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Dark Blue. Next, I'll be applying the Maybelline for setting powder today. I'll be using... Okay, I've got one brow out. I can never say that one sentence. Maybelline Lash Sensational. So that's the French side. Can't read that. Oh, I just touched my eye.